Hey, so we are going to talk about how to get the most out of your workouts. But before that, I want to remind you that registration for my unlimited plan is open right now. It's going to close soon. So see the details and the links below. I would love to have you there. You can get access to all of my workouts, including full length, hour-long workouts, healthy recipes, a group to be accountable to and motivated from. I would love to have you there. So let's talk about how to get the most out of your workouts because I love providing you guys with online content, workouts to do at home. But the thing is, there is a way to do them to get the most out of them. So if you aren't seeing the results you really want, we're going to talk about that today and some strategies to make it happen. And I know this firsthand because there are two ways, right, to do a workout. You can either do a workout fairly lackadaisical, reading your phone while you do it, not really sure about the reps you're doing, taking breaks, or you can be in it to win it. And let me tell you the difference between those two. That's just one of the first strategies I have for you. So I know what it's like because I found myself doing that this morning. I was laying on my side doing my leg lifts as part of my Pilates workout, and I was reading my phone while doing it. This is not like me, but I was in the middle of doing it. You guys, I don't even know how many reps I really did. I turned over at some point to do the other side. I know it was not a very effective workout. That being said, it was a workout. I was moving, and that is better than nothing. So something is always better than nothing. But if I really ask myself why I'm not getting the results I'm getting, sometimes I have to look at my focus during the workout itself. Where is my focus? Is this really time I'm putting on myself? Am I focusing on my form? Am I focusing on what the instructor is telling me if I'm doing either an online workout or an in-person workout? Where is my focus? And I recommend having the focus on what you are doing because you'll work harder, you'll have better form, which is going to make your workout more efficient. That is why I actually give a lot of workouts 30 minutes or less. So here on YouTube, you're going to find most that are kind of small, great clips to do. You can piece them together, or in my unlimited plan, I give a lot of workouts 30 minutes or less, some even up to an hour. But I really believe that you can have a great and effective workout program, 30 minutes or less every day, if you are focusing during that time. Okay, so first off is make sure that it's time for you, that you set aside that time, that you take away distractions. I know kids are going to be running around sometimes. Mine are, and that's completely fine. But even when my kids are playing at my feet, I'm still focusing on the move that I'm doing. Okay, so one thing is to focus. Another thing is to have a plan. Now, again, I think it's really helpful for me personally. When I was first getting into exercise, when I really wanted to see results, I met with a personal trainer. This was years and years and years ago. Because even though I can develop my own plan, it was helpful for me to find some new moves. Like I went to the gym and said, how do I use this stuff? Tell me what to do. Then, when I went through my Pilates training, again, 20 years ago, I found an instructor I really liked and I took regular classes with them to learn new things, to focus, to have a plan. Then, when I had my first baby and I was forced to do workouts at home, that's when I created Unlimited because for me, I couldn't find that plan online. I could find thousands of workouts online to do, but I didn't actually have a plan of someone telling me what I should do each day. You know, when was arm day? When was leg day? When should I do high intensity? So having a plan really helped me. So that's what I recommend for people. If you do want to see results, make sure you have some kind of plan. So in Unlimited, what I do is I give people a monthly workout calendar and I say, this is the workout that you can do every single day. I give one for each day that tells them, hey, this is going to give you like a full plan for the week. You're going to get your flexibility in. This is your Pilates day. This is your arm day. This is your high intensity day. This is your cardio day. And then you're done. And you've gotten a great, great balance of workouts. Either that or you can pick from 250 different ones if you like. But for me, having a plan really helped. Another thing I have that I think is beneficial, I have a 30-day Pilates jumpstart. That's really nice for anyone getting back from an injury or anyone starting new because it starts with the basics. So if you are starting exercise new or a new program, it's really nice to have the basics down so that you know that you're doing the exercises correctly and you're getting the most from them. So whatever way you are working out, whatever makes the most sense for you. Make sure you have some kind of plan for even just the week ahead, because that's going to help keep you on track and make sure that you're really kind of balancing workouts. Basically, you don't want to just be getting on the elliptical and doing the elliptical every single day. That's not going to give you the results you're probably looking for, okay? The third thing is to challenge yourself. This is personally, actually, I think my biggest struggle point is challenging myself. I will work out every day. I have that down pat. It's on my calendar. It's kind of in my habits now personally. It takes time to get there, but it's there for me. It's a habit. I have a plan. I kind of balance my weights with my Pilates, with some cardio, with high intensity interval training. So that I have down. Problem for me right now is challenging myself. And I know that's where I am if I want to see that next step for results. So right now, I would say for sure my health is covered. So if you're moving and working out every day, if you have that exercise in your body, you are doing so many beneficial things for yourself. Okay, so don't think you're not at all. For me, I know I would like to see a little more muscle gain at this point. I'm almost just about fully recovered from the surgery that I had, and it's time for me to kind of step it up and challenge myself a little more. So that's where I need to go. So for me, that means possibly working with somebody else, because I'm not sure if I can challenge myself right now. And it's also, this is going to sound so funny, but I do my own videos. You guys, if I just have my weights and like I said, my kids are playing at my feet, I'm going to do the same thing that I do every day because that's what I'm able to do in that amount of time. But if I even put on my own video, I will actually challenge myself a lot more because I'm following someone else. Someone else is telling me what to do, giving me new ideas. Okay, so it's either that. Sometimes it's just challenging yourself by trying something new. So if you haven't done one of my high intensity interval training workouts that I have here on YouTube or in Unlimited, try it. Just see how it goes. Check it out. Maybe try a bar workout if you've never done bar before. But you have to step outside of your comfort zone a little bit and challenge yourself 1 or 2 times a week. I don't mean every day, 1 or 2 times a week. Try something new. Go a little longer. Go a little harder. Do something that's going to challenge yourself, and you will see results quicker, I promise. Okay, and the last thing, and something I am going to remind you of every time I see you, is simply to believe in yourself and to know you're worth it and to just believe in your ability to do it. It comes back to that trying something new. Don't think automatically, oh, I could never do that. I'm not strong enough. I don't know how. Take that out of your mindset. Those are old beliefs that you don't need anymore. They're not serving you, okay? In times of stress, which we can be in right now especially. So if we're in times of stress, try to think of it as a time to serve yourself so that you can serve other people more. It's okay to be selfish with a little bit of movement time every day. You have to feed yourself and serve yourself in order to be able to serve others. You want to be strong so you can be around for your kids and your family and your coworkers and your staff. You want to be healthy for them, right? Long term. So that means putting in a little time every day for yourself. Okay. So I hope that helps you, gives you some tips for really seeing the results that you want, whatever they may be. We all have different goals and they are all valuable. So decide what your goals are. I would love to be able to continue serving you here and in Unlimited. So if you are interested, it is my subscription plan. I have a membership site. You can get monthly, 3-month, or yearly subscriptions. You get access to my entire workout video library. So some of them are here on YouTube, but you guys, there are workouts I never even put here on YouTube that I save for my members. And my members also get my full length workouts. So like I said, up to an hour-long workouts. They get a healthy recipe every single month. Personal podcast recordings, a Facebook group. We do member spotlight interviews. It's just a really awesome place to be if you want to dive a little deeper and have a few more options available to you. So I'll have the link below. It's jessicavalantpilates.com/unlimited. We only open registration a few times a year. Okay. So registration is open right now as I'm recording this, but it's going to close soon. So click the link below, join us. If it's not open, just join the wait list, and I promise I'll get you in soon. And thank you so much for being here. All right, I'll see you soon. Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You can also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.